So, going round, what have been your observations so far about this
Um,
exercise?
the first striking observation is the fact that for a by-election, the turnout has been very, very encouraging. So you don't usually witness these kinds of numbers during by-elections. Everywhere we've been to, they've recorded at least 50%, and, even including this one. So it's encouraging. And violence is something that we all have attention on to ensure that we eschew it. And so far, we haven't heard about any violent activities anywhere that we have visited. So unless you have other specific questions to ask.
Well, your opposition brothers and sisters, they are accusing your party of inducing residents.
I'm here. Have you seen me
Well,
dishing out
that is
anything?
what they are just
Then you should be
been
asking
talking
them.
about.
Probe them for more questions. Hmm? Prove them
Yeah,
with
but
more questions.
what will be your response to such accusations?
I'm here. I'm not distributing any money. All these people are part of me. I haven't seen, unless you are doing it behind my back, nobody's doing anything like that. So
All right.
you report on what you see,
All right.
not what you hear.
How do you see your candidate's chance?
Oh, he's going to carry the day. He is going to carry the day. It's a very popular candidate. His handwriting is all over the place in terms of supporting the needy, children, widows, and all that. Unlike the other guy who has been domiciled in Canada for about 45 years, 45 to 46 years, and there's no handiwork of his within the community. And he wants to be the MP for this constituency. Can you believe this? So that's what I have to say.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Right.